Tool 17 removes the magazine catch spring on any Glock pistol so that the magazine catch can be replaced or upgraded. This video shows you how to use the tool. Hold the frame so the thumb applies pressure to the magazine catch. Insert the tool into the top of the magazine well. Locate the magazine catch spring and insert the tool underneath the spring. Push it towards your thumb and rotate the tool slightly to lift the spring out of the magazine catch. Allow the spring to come to rest. Remove the spring with a suitable tool. Replace the magazine catch. Reinsert the spring into the frame. Use Tool 17 to push the spring into the slot in the magazine catch.